Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily set up the ExtendTecc Wi-Fi Extender to boost your Wi-Fi signal and improve your internet connection throughout your home or office. Whether you're trying to eliminate dead zones or improve your internet speed, this video will walk you through the entire setup process. So, let's get started. Let's begin by unboxing the ExtendTecc Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll discover the Wi-Fi Extender unit, a detailed quick start guide for easy setup, and the power adapter. Before moving forward, ensure that all components are present and in good condition for a smooth installation. Next, locate an electrical outlet in an area where your Wi-Fi signal begins to weaken, but still maintains a stable connection to your main router. Plug the ExtendTecc Wi-Fi Extender into the outlet, and within a few seconds, the power indicator light should illuminate, signaling it's ready. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings menu. Look for the network name labeled ExtendTecc_setup in the list of available networks. Select it and wait for your device to establish a connection, which should only take a few moments. Once your device is connected to the ExtendTecc_setup network, open your web browser and enter the default IP address found in the Quick Start Guide, usually something like 192.168.1. This will direct you to the setup page, where you'll begin configuring your extender. Once you access the setup page, you'll encounter a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list and input your Wi-Fi password. After entering the credentials, click on Extend or Apply to save your settings. The extender will then reboot and connect to your main router. After the reboot, the extender will broadcast its own Wi-Fi signal. Now, reconnect your devices to this extended network using the same password as your main Wi-Fi network. You should now have a stronger Wi-Fi signal in areas where the connection was previously weak.